UNESCO chair and the International Center on Non-Violence to train justice and peace community champions.
Hi, my name is Shafiqa Ghulam Hussain. These past 2 days have been extremely helpful for me. What I really enjoyed was learning a bit more about non-violent communication, which I think is extremely important when we do a lot of action. So learning how people respond to us based on how we react is a key takeaway, as well as delving a bit more into conflict. That's really important, learning how to be a mediator in a community, being a community member and hopefully a community leader, being able to resolve conflict and understanding that there are positives and negatives as well, but it just depends on how you deal with it.
Good afternoon, my name is Prince Lame. I'm from 𝒏𝒄𝒄𝒄𝒒, a company that is based in Durban North. I'm one of the champions that have been invited by DUT and UNESCO to be part of a training, a 2-day training. I've learned a lot about conflict resolution, especially when it comes to communities, because we always see communities fighting, as we have seen what's been happening in the past few weeks in this country. But this has taught me a lot of things like methods of non-violent communication, which is something that is very new to some of us, but it has really empowered us. So I'm taking a lot of a toolbox of knowledge. I'm taking a toolbox of wealth, information that I will be able to go and use in our community, and especially in my organization, which is the Project 𝒏𝒂𝒄𝒖𝒍𝒕𝒚.